When the camera's on, you stop. Make it look like you're having fun with it.
Feel good. Angela, do you want Rowena to use her curlers on you?
Come on, baby. Are you tired?
What? You just finished sleeping.
At least you're talking.
Oh, why you?
Daddy, with the camera.
Say something to Grandma.
Hello, Danielle.
Do you have the camera? You have the
Recorder.
Oh, recorder.
You like to kick Auntie?
Say something.
Say something, Danielle. Say something profound. Say something profound.
Why are you kicking me? Why are you kicking me, huh?
Keep kicking Auntie.
Why you listen to Daddy, huh? Why are you so strong? She's so strong. She likes to sleep like this, right? Right?
That's so intelligent.
So
Thank you.
Mwah.